Hello, this is our HPEDM Sine vise PalletSet for using on wire EDM machine. The material is high quality stainless steel, can be used underwater. This Sine vise compatible with EROWA ER-058100. Check it. It was say at the EROWA system. And the accuracy is say up to 2 micron. This length is 120 mm, width is 74 mm, total height is 93 mm. This Sine vise can be adjust angular position by the back to screw. Yeah. Use 5 wrench, hex wrench to loosen it. This is a spindle. Also need to loosen it. Yeah, you need to loosen it first. Then it can be adjust the angular position as per your requirements. If you want to large angular position, then you need to fully loose the screw. Yeah, check it. You need to fully loosen the screw. Loosen it. Coming out. Check. There are different holes. If you big angle, you can lose it and use a screw to fix it. Here needs more angular. The angular range from 0 degree, this is 0 degree, to max 90 degree. Yeah, here is 90 degree. When you angular 90 degree, you need to loosen the screw out and fix this screw, fix it to tighten it. Yeah, it's time now. Loosen it. Yeah, we need to loosen it first. This Sine vise need to use fixed on the pendulum holder together. This holder was fixed this adapter track. This is a whole set truss, and this vise was attached to this standard clipping truss is 36 mm. This is another side truss for your options. This one is 65 mm. This one is 0 truss, and was clipping workpiece here. We just show how to use clipping workpiece here. Loosen this screw. Yeah, loosen it, and clipping it here. We will show you how to use it. First, use the pendulum holder. Put on it, and use 2 screws fixed on it. It can be adjusted 3 axes by this screw XYZ, and then put on the track. Put it. And use wrench to fix on it. Yeah, this one like this. Yeah, it's okay. Our this product price is good. Warranty is 1 year. welcome to inquire our website www.cncedmtool.com. Thank you.